In the mechanics of highway interdiction and highway patrol tactics, a routine minor traffic violation can instantly transform into a lethal firefight. On March 30, 2026, at approximately 11:31 a.m., a Harrison County Sheriff's deputy initiated a traffic stop on a blue Dodge Journey along U.S. Route 250 near Tappan Lake, Ohio. The initial baseline reason for the stop was a standard infraction, following another vehicle too closely. During the roadside interaction, the driver, Nikki Reynard, consented to a physical search of the SUV. However, as the deputy shifted his focus to the passengers, the behavioral indicators of the file radically escalated. A rear seat passenger, 53-year-old Michael Decker, exhibited immediate signs of heightened stress and provided a false identification card. Recognizing the threat, the deputy ordered Decker to exit the vehicle. As Decker stepped out, the deputy identified an immediate warning sign. The suspect kept his hand locked near his waistband. Suddenly, a violent physical struggle broke out. Investigators state that Decker pulled a handgun, pointed it directly at the deputy, and opened fire. In a desperate, split-second tactical maneuver, the deputy managed to physically knock the weapon off target, falling down a steep embankment during the escape and suffering injuries. Seizing the window of chaos, Decker hijacked the SUV and sped away from the scene.
Got to combat to Nikki Reynard.
Looks like this one
This one's 2019.
on the 4th. Do you have an up-to-date one?
I don't really get up-to-date ones. This is the only one that I gotten off of her.
Is it still the same company?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all the
Try
same.
to find an up-to-date one. That way I can show you have at least proof of insurance.
Yeah, this was the last one that she gave me to put in the car.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know why they don't do that.
Do you have it on your phone or the app on your phone?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Let me call my mom. That's curse, she does. But it should still be the same policy number.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Mom, you don't have the insurance on an app or anything? The car insurance. Yeah, but he said that, because I got pulled over, he said that's expired.
Yeah, it expired on March 4th.
He said it expired March 4th. I know there's insurance on it, but I'm just saying the expiration date on here is 3/4.
Maybe can she send it to you?
Do you have it on the phone? Do you have it on the phone, Mom?
What followed was a
I'll tell you all that.
multi-agency,
Yeah.
high-speed pursuit spanning across the roadways of Harrison County. Officers tracked the stolen vehicle as Decker pushed the SUV to speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, completely ignoring all law enforcement commands to halt. The pursuit finally reached a breaking point on U.S. Route 22, where successfully deployed spike strips shredded the vehicle's tires, forcing the SUV to a grinding stop. But the tactical threat was far from neutralized. Decker exited the disabled vehicle fully armed and immediately exchanged live gunfire with an Ohio State Highway Patrol trooper. While no officers were hit during the shootout, Decker managed to retreat on foot into a dense, heavily wooded area. This triggered a massive, multi-jurisdictional manhunt involving local departments, tactical units, aviation assets, and federal law enforcement partners. As the tracking net tightened, investigators discovered that Decker had managed to breach a nearby local residence, stealing clean clothing and radically changing his physical appearance to evade the visual perimeter.
Drugs?
There's no drugs.
Okay, that's what I'm going to confirm.
What's your probable cause?
I don't have probable cause. I have consent.
From who?
Her. So go ahead and hop out. Okay. Gonna be doing a vehicle search.
The car had got open.
This door won't open. I gotta come back.
Okay. No weapons on you, nothing like that? Okay, you mind if I check you for weapons?
No, I don't.
Okay, go ahead and face the car.
I said no.
I understand that. Go ahead and take your hand out from behind your back.
I'll just...
Go ahead and face...
Stop. Get off. No! No!
No weapons on you, nothing like that? Okay, you mind if I check you for weapons?
No, I don't.
Okay, go ahead and face the car.
I said no.
I understand that. Go ahead and take your hand out from behind your back.
I'll just...
Go ahead and face...
Stop. Get off. No! No!
Shots fired! Shots fired! I need help!
Spikes are good, spikes are good. 31.
Let me see your hand! Shots fired, shots fired!
Shots fired, 41. I'm gonna head that way, go to
1720.
shots fired again. Spikes are good, 31.
Let me see your hand! Shots fired, shots fired!
Shots fired, 41. I'm gonna head that way, go to
1720.
shots fired again.
He's going in the woods. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Going into the woods, going into the woods.
I see him. He's right there. Pier 12, about 50 yards.
Alright, beanbag I think is being deployed.
They're gonna get too close, I'll be out. Right?
Yeah.
They're on top of it.
They're on top of him. They're on top of him. K9's being deployed. Alright, K9's deployed. He's reaching for the gun, guys. Watch him. It's down by his left hand. The gun's down by his left hand.
Off gun.
Copy.
Okay, we're making contact with them. Get that squad lined up as close as you can get it to us. Yeah, one shot fired from blue.
Good hit. He's running. He's down. I don't see him. Zone 3. He's peeking. He's peeking. No. He's peeking. Hold. I'm off. He's on that tree. We're off.
Stop pulling him! Watch that gun.
Cover contact.
Yep, I got it.
Up! Soup, up! I got the hand. Whatever we want to roll. Out!
Go ahead and get him away.
Out!
Hey, bring him this way because of the tree. That hand turn to bring him this way.
Out!
Bring him this way.
Out! Hey, let's cuff him up and get some first aid. We're working on it. We're working on it.
Grab his arm right here.
I got him. Flipping.
All right, I'm coming off.
Hold the dog off. All right, here we go. Snoop out! Cuff. Cuff. Okay, first aid. Hey, choke the dog if you have to. I am. Out!
The hours-long manhunt finally converged near Mine Road when an Ohio State Highway Patrol helicopter utilized aerial tracking to isolate Decker hiding deep within the brush. Air units and ground tactical teams repeatedly broadcasted commands for a peaceful surrender, but Decker refused to comply and remained actively armed. Left with no alternative, tactical officers advanced into the dense terrain utilizing a police canine and less lethal deployment tools. According to official investigative files, as the K-9 unit closed the distance, Decker brandished his weapon directly toward the K-9 handler and the advancing law enforcement team. Facing an immediate lethal threat, an officer discharged his service weapon, striking the suspect. Although officers immediately transitioned to rendering emergency medical aid, Decker was pronounced deceased at the scene. This intense, real-world file stands as a textbook study on how a simple traffic infraction can trigger a massive chain reaction of extreme criminal stress and multi-agency tactical containment.